So now I'm going to repair these nail holes, and I'm going to use the nut filler battery gun. So I'm putting in an extra nut filler, I have a cooling block, and I'll start to repair here. Filling this one very quickly, cooling it down. I'm going to use a cutting tool as well to cool. Would be easy. It's ready when you can just flip it off. Try this one. So when it's cooled off, I can feel it here. I started repairing these ones. I'm going to use the chisel, and I'm just going to cut off excess filler. Take some sanding paper.